In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform ratio error, phase angle error, and polarity tests on voltage transformers and capacitive voltage transformers. After powering on the device, entering the required transformer details through the Manager section, we proceed to set up the test parameters. For this, navigate to the Voltage Transformer Test menu and select the Ratio, Polarity option. From the phase and winding sections, specify the phase and secondary winding under test. Enter the rated primary voltage of the voltage transformer in kilovolts. Note that if the voltage transformer is installed phase to ground, a factor of 1/√3 is applied. If it's phase to phase, the factor is 1. Similarly, specify the rated secondary voltage in volts, applying factors of 1, 1/√3, or 1/3, depending on the connection type. Using the V-test section, input the required voltage for the test. Then, from the Imax section, set the current limit for the test. The V secondary measurement section lets you choose how to measure the secondary voltage. If the voltage transformer secondary is accessible and can be connected to the device, select the automatic mode for higher accuracy and repeatability. However, if the secondary cannot be connected for any reason, use a voltmeter to measure the secondary voltage manually. If the voltage transformer is an intermediate voltage transformer, set the test mode to IVT, otherwise, select normal. Once the test settings are complete, click the Run icon. After the test, the final results will include details such as phase, secondary winding under test, and frequency. The results will also show the measured primary and secondary voltages, magnitude and angle, the calculated and nominal ratios, the percentage ratio error, and the polarity status. Here are 3 important tips. It is recommended to connect the voltage transformer to its actual burden for accurate error measurements, as the VT's error varies with the burden. If a current limit error occurs during testing, verify the test conditions, increase the Imax setting if necessary, and repeat the test. If the ratio error is significant, ensure that the primary voltage of the PT is applied correctly. In some PTs, there is a terminal at the bottom that is grounded during normal operation. During the test, voltage should be applied between this terminal and the high voltage terminal.